What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke, and today we're talking about how to make $36 per hour playing video games. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic. Hold up. I almost forgot to tell you, you gotta like and share this video. I'm pretty sure there's some people out there that want to know about this. Alright, trust and believe, alright. So please like and share the video. Alright, so again, let's get to the topic on hand. How to make $36 per hour playing video games. So, check this out. Do you love playing video games? I mean, like, do you play them on your phone while on the train? Do you play them while eating eggs in the rain? Do you play video games at home on a Friday night while your bros are out chasing chicks? Are you the type to skip out on a Saturday night with that fine, sexy girl and play video games instead? Then I have a perfect side hustle for you. You can actually get paid for your love of video games by being a video game tester at playtestcloud.com. You literally go to their website, click sign up in the right corner, top right corner, put some information in and then sign up to become a game tester. It's that easy. They will actually make you take a test to see if you qualify for the game tester program. But it's super easy to start and virtually anyone can do it. Once you qualify as a game tester, you will start getting paid to test different games. They don't mind you testing games on your consoles, but they'd rather you test on your phone. They list all the different types of devices that you can test these game apps on, okay? Different Androids and different iPhones. Different things. Right. Now, I know you're asking yourself, the next question, right? So how do you make $36 an hour testing the games? Well, as per the site, they pay you $9 per 15 minutes of you testing a game. So let's say you spend 1 hour doing this. You would make $36 for that hour just testing a video game or different video games, right? Right. Now listen, I'm not saying you'll be able to do this for 8 hours a day or anything like that, but this can definitely help you create income out of thin air and use it to build maybe a dividend stock portfolio. And once those stocks start to pay out dividend income, you could reinvest your income and build passive income without doing much. No brainer. You could also use the money to put some ads on Google and promote an affiliate product. You can start building income that way. Not just that way, but that way, and that way, and that way. A lot of different ways. Alright, the bottom line. Being a game tester won't make you rich, but you can use the extra income to build other streams of income over time. All it takes is discipline and patience, and you can be successful. Trust me. So, check all those links in that description, my friend. Okay, if you want to learn about other ways to create wealth and build a business online, that link is there, wealthbuildersystem.com. Okay, so that's wealthbuildersystem.com. Link in the description. Check it out. Right, so thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself. Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for how to make $36 per hour playing video games. Do remember, our builders, make more, save more, build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking, you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.